Here you'll see my yellow bolt overhand throw in slow motion, and I put it onto a larger screen, so hopefully it'll be a better viewing experience. Here goes.
Okay.
I've taken 3 steps forward and I'm throwing the yellow bolt in an overhand motion. Yellow bolt can be a sport in itself, a throwing sport which would fall in the category of uh, track and field throwing events. It would be a throwing sport, but yellow bolt can also be of benefit to other sports people playing uh, well, actually rounders, baseball, and American football when they do the football throw. And it can also be of benefit to martial artists and boxers because those sports involve hand motions using speed and power, hand motions. So for this yellow bolt can be of benefit to those sportsmen as well. Okay, thank you. Bye.